Good morning and welcome back to the Social Stack 66-Day Challenge, Get Started in Social Media. I'm Amy Stack and today is day 46 of our challenge, How to Add Links to Your YouTube Channel. In this challenge, you'll learn how to connect your channel to other social accounts and websites. Before we get started, if this is your first time here and you want to learn more about marketing with technology for your business, start now by subscribing to my channel. Just click that red subscribe button and then the bell icon. Here we go. All right, so first I wanted to let you know I pulled up a couple of samples for you so you can see what we're talking about. So here's my channel, and you can see in my channel art I've got a Facebook link, Instagram, LinkedIn, and then this one didn't show up with the little icon image, but you can, if I hover over it, it says website. Pulled up a couple of other ones to give you some ideas. Right here, Roberto Blake actually has a link to get the YouTube starter kit. So that's a little call to action. It's a way for him to bring in some income, and it's right there. So that's a buy button right in his YouTube channel. We've got Twitter, Amazon, and then you can see join right here. So those are a couple of ideas. John Maxwell has, different websites on here. The John Maxwell team, training for corporate teams. I have Benji Travis's site up. You can see he's got all his social linked in here. So those are just a few examples of things that you can have linked in your YouTube channel. All right, so how do we do that? You're going to start on your channel, and we want to go to Customize Channel like we've been visiting in the past couple of challenges. And then hover over your channel art and you'll see the little pencil pop up. Go ahead and click that in the top right-hand corner and then click Edit Links. When you scroll down, you'll see that there's the Custom Links section here. And the first thing you can do is choose how many you want to show up on that channel art. So you can do none of them to show up or up to 5. You can see I have 4 in here. I can still add one more if I'd like. If I want to take one of them down, I can just hit the trash can and it will delete that link. So if you noticed on the first link that shows up on that channel, there's a little description with it. So like right here, Roberto's says get the YouTube starter kit. Mine says Facebook page. So you can see it says Facebook page right here. So maybe I'm going to be launching a Facebook group soon. So maybe I would make that my first one and make it say join conversation. Make sure you spell everything correctly. So I edited that. And if you don't have any in here, of course, you just put what you want that link to say. So the first one, only the first one is going to show the text in there. The rest of them will just show your icon. And you just go to the pages you want to link and copy the URL from the top. So for example, my Facebook page, I just go to Facebook and I go to my page. Whoops. So here is the Social Stack Facebook page. Feel free to like if you haven't already. Simply highlight, right-click, and copy that URL right there at the top. Come back to your YouTube channel, and you're going to paste it right inside that link field there. So once you've got everything added that you want to have linked to your site, just hit Done. And then you can check out your site. So this was before I did the edits. If I hit refresh, we'll see that that text has changed there. So now it says join the conversation. And that is how you edit your links on your YouTube channel. So of course, the importance for that is to get people connected to all of your presence, whether it's social media or a blog or a website. So that's just to make sure that they have access to everywhere that you are online. So go ahead and tell me in the comments what sites you're going to be connecting to your channel, and that's going to conclude our training for the day. So join me at 7:30 a.m. Central tomorrow for our next challenge, and we will be going over how to add tags to your channel. I'll see you then.